Good morning, everybody. Oh, waking up in the Lowe's parking lot this morning. We're gonna cook some stuff. So that's what we're gonna do today. Cook some food and have some fun with Bentley by the water. Find some sakis. Alright. He's barking at me. We're gonna go into the Lowe's and use their bathroom. Pepper jack cheese. Got some bread. That's a lot of butter. I probably shouldn't have put that much. But I don't know how well or how long this butter will last in the car. 2 grilled cheese. Oh my god, I use so much butter for this. But I like it to be like golden brown. And then we're in the Walmart parking lot, so I gotta light this bad boy. I gotta put the propane on. Got my propane. Bentley, stay there. We're gonna keep the cap so we can put it back on. I eventually want to get like a big propane tank and just have the attachment. Let's see if this thing still works. It's a couple years old. You gonna light? I don't want to light. Just try the other one. Woo! Damn! Maybe that one was lit. Maybe that. So we need the cheese. I got a 10-pack, so. Well, that's the smallest they sell, actually. Bam! A couple pieces of cheese. Good thing I noticed they have paper on them. I'm not trying to stay here long because I don't want the cops called on me. They probably already did. But I mean, I'm literally just making breakfast and I'm leaving. The furthest away from anybody else. So if they complain that I'm here, they shouldn't be. I'm literally like, I'm not even on the front entrance side, it's on the garage side. We're gonna make these grilled cheese and I'll get back to you. Just like this. Just like that, we have breakfast. Wish I had some soup. And a rover in the night. I'm gonna get Bentley some of the end. Here you go, baby. This grilled cheese is probably too hot. Please. But what we can do a paper towel and cover the normal side plate. That way, I don't have, oh, it's, woo! Spicy. Get a paper towel and cover the plate. That way, the juices and whatnot, of whatever I'm cooking, doesn't really stick to the plate. It sticks to the paper towel. And then I can just throw the paper towel away and keep the plate cleaner. I know what I can do. I bought some water. I bought some water, and I can fill this cup up. Oh, because when I want to give Bentley water, which it looks like he wants some now, actually, I can basically keep refilling these. Yeah, he definitely wants some. I can keep refilling these. Like, I can just, whatever he doesn't drink, pour back into here, and then this will be Bentley's. It was going to be for me, but he's more important than me. Taking care of him. So, we're eating breakfast in the Walmart parking lot. We're going to go over to the riverfront here in a little while. Before I pour anything in here, I'm just gonna drink out of here because I don't have another cup. Actually, I do, but now that a sticker won't come off, I don't trust the cup, so I'm just gonna drink out of here. And thankfully, I bought majority of what I need, like my pan, spatula. I had to come and grow already. I realized I found the part. I had the part for the propane the whole time. It was inside the grill. And so I didn't have to buy the part. I just needed to buy the propane. So I bought the propane for Lowe's, which Walmart sells it too, so it doesn't matter. It's probably actually cheaper at Walmart. Bought the propane at Lowe's since I slept there last night. It's like I used the bathroom 4 times. Since I bought everything that I need, like necessity-wise, like to cook meals, now I could be spending like $6 a day at the most to cook a meal. Now there's going to be waste because these places only sell a certain size package. Even the smallest size of cheese was 10 slices. Which I used 4 here. I'm thinking about making burgers later. And so I'll get a 4-pack of ground beef patties. Hi. This guy on a motorcycle was staring me down because I have the grill back there. So starting today, unless like it's a special occasion or whatever, I do not want to eat out at fast food because there's no reason. I have my stove back up and running. I have my refrigerator, which is Walmart or any grocery store. I go in, buy what I want for that meal, come back out, go wherever I'm going to camp, make my dinner, whether that's stealth camping in the Walmart parking lot or Lowe's, Cabela's, whatever, or if I'm like out wherever, a campsite. It'd be nice to have a fridge, but realistically it's still cold, and I'm gonna turn the heat on for Bentley. It's still cold, so like it's not like a necessity to have a fridge. And so I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my meal, and we're gonna have more adventures today. So down this way. One thing, this is it's a little big for you, isn't it? Bentley, this way, this way, this way.